Ever wished you could rewind and replay a crucial moment from your last Teams meeting? Let's dive straight into how to record your Microsoft Teams meetings, ensuring you never miss a detail. First, confirm you have the necessary permissions. Usually, meeting organizers and presenters have the ability to record. During the meeting, locate the More Actions button represented by 3 dots in the meeting control bar. Click it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Start Recording. Teams will then display a banner at the top of the meeting window to alert all participants that the meeting is being recorded. It also notifies them about the privacy policies. This is a crucial step for transparency and compliance. When the meeting concludes or you want to end a recording, return to the More Actions button. Select Stop Recording. A confirmation prompt might appear. Confirm your choice. The recording will then be processed and saved to Microsoft Stream or SharePoint depending on your organization's settings. A notification will appear in the meeting chat with a link to the recording. From there, you can easily access, download, or share the recording. Ensure you understand your organization's policies about sharing meeting recordings. Now you're all set to record your Teams meetings and boost collaboration.